Welcome. My name is Troynesha Jones, and I am the physical instructor at Jackie Robinson Park. Today, I will be showing you guys how to create an easy kids craft just in time for Valentine's Day. So, we will be creating this pretty little Valentine's Day crown. The material that was used in this creation will be construction paper, pre-cut heart shapes, pipe wire, tape, scissors, as well as glue. So, already pre-done, I basically cut whatever construction paper color of your choice, cut the paper in half. Then I glued both halves together side by side. The second step was then to take any shaped hearts, I have different sizes, some big, some small, and then glue them onto the slab basically of construction paper as such. Then you will take the pipe wire, again, whatever choice you decide, whatever color you decide to use, and you will twirl it around your finger just so it can be curled as such, right? Then you will basically use the tape and tape those adjacent to each other so that it can be used for the antennas. Then we will take the glue and glue the sides together. And so, just like this. And then the last and final step I did was take some more pre-shaped hearts and glue them to the points of each antenna. Then you can also add different designs. I have cute little Valentine's Day quotes, too cute, you're cool, love, everything, but it's up to you. And that's the crown. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this activity and you are looking for more things to do while at home, stay connected and check out more fun activities with my colleagues on the YouTube at www.chicagoparkdistrict.com. Thank you.